Today I am reviewing the Retroid Pocket Classic Retro Handheld Game Console. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Retroid Pocket Classic is a portable retro gaming handheld that brings nostalgia and modern functionality together in a sleek, compact design. With its vibrant 3.92-inch OLED touchscreen, every game looks better than ever. The 1240 by 1080 resolution at 60 frames per second ensures that classic games feel smooth, crisp, and visually engaging, with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles that make retro graphics pop. Whether you're playing on the go or at home, the display truly brings your favorite games to life. Running on Android 14, the Retroid Pocket Classic provides a flexible and modern gaming experience. You have full access to the Google Play Store, allowing you to download new apps, emulators, and games, making this device much more than just a retro console. The operating system also ensures smooth performance and compatibility with a wide range of Android applications, meaning you can play both classic and modern games with ease. Storage is another strong point of the Pocket Classic. With 128 gigabytes of internal storage and the option to expand using a micro SD card, you have plenty of space to create an extensive game library. You can store hundreds of retro titles, emulators, and even modern Android games without worrying about running out of space. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for gamers who want a portable library of classic and contemporary games in one device. The Retroid Pocket Classic is built to keep up with long gaming sessions. A 5,000 mAh battery provides hours of uninterrupted play, so you can enjoy your favorite games without constantly searching for a charger. And when it's time to charge, the USB-C port allows fast, convenient charging and even the option to connect the device to your TV for a larger screen experience. Connectivity options are extensive and modern. With Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, you can easily connect to online networks, download apps, or pair controllers and wireless headphones. The handheld's versatility extends to multiplayer gaming and streaming, making it a powerful little device for both solo and social gaming. It's important to note that the Retroid Pocket Classic does not come with preloaded games, which is standard for many modern handheld emulators to ensure compliance with copyright regulations. However, this gives users the freedom to curate their own game library, tailoring their device exactly to their preferences. With Android 14 and ample storage, the console is extremely flexible, letting you install classic game emulators, arcade titles, or even newer Android games. The device itself is compact and comfortable to hold, designed for extended play sessions without causing hand fatigue. The PKM yellow design adds a playful, nostalgic touch, reminiscent of classic handheld consoles, while the OLED touchscreen ensures responsive controls and a smooth gaming experience. In conclusion, the Retroid Pocket Classic Retro Handheld Game Console is a must-have for anyone who loves portable gaming, nostalgia, and versatility. With its vibrant OLED display, Android 14 flexibility, expansive storage, long-lasting battery, and robust connectivity options, it's capable of running both classic retro games and modern Android apps with ease. While it doesn't come with preloaded games, this gives you the freedom to build your personalized gaming library. Compact, portable, and powerful, the Retroid Pocket Classic is a perfect companion for gamers on the go, combining the charm of retro gaming with the convenience of modern technology.